guys, so it has been a really long time since I did a hair update. I'm in my new office. This is about as the best that I could get it looking, where I feel comfortable filming. I've been in this new house for 2 years. It'll be 3 years and just like a couple of months into next year. And so this is my first hair tutorial in my new house and my new office. So I haven't figured out how to get my voiceover to work on my laptop. It stopped working years ago, and so I'm just going to talk to you guys while I film this. So this is my hair now. I think I'll be 12 years natural next month, and my last relaxer was in September of 2010, I think. I'm gonna make a hair update video and answer all these questions. Right now I'm just gonna do my curly routine because I actually have to go out to dinner. So I just washed my hair and this is how it looks. And this is all that I use when I do my hair. So I start with grapeseed oil. I also have almond oil, which I like to use. And depending on the weather, like right now it's winter, I go for 1 or 2 of the oils. This one is heavier and it stays in my hair longer, so I prefer to use this one. And I know right now oiling your scalp is really popular. It's not I don't follow like trends or anything. I've always done this. Like nothing that I'm doing right now is new. I always oil my scalp, and I put a lot of oil in it because a lot of it will end up running down the shaft of my hair and dripping out because I let my hair air dry. A lot of it also ends up on my pillow. So the rule of thumb for me is the more the better. So it's been about 10 minutes since I got out of the shower, so my hair is kind of drying and I have to go fast. It's still wet, but it's not dripping wet. It's kind of warm in my house because it's cold outside. Right now it's like 65 degrees. I don't usually do my hair when it's cold because I don't want to get sick, but I don't really have a choice because my scalp is, you know, itchy. Well, it itches. I do have like some scalp issues just from like me having celiacs, which has to do with gluten, ingesting gluten in food. So usually if I'm fresh out of the shower, I just do this one side at a time. It'll keep the other side from drying too fast. And I can't see because I have to keep taking my glasses off. So if it looks like I'm just kind of all over the place with what I'm doing, it's because I can't see. Like I'm looking in the viewfinder and it's blurry. So once I get the oil in my hair, smooth it all down. I just trimmed my hair 2 weeks ago, 1.5 inches off, and I shaped it. So it is actually a little shorter than it was. This is what I use for my conditioner, Multicultural Curls. I use a lot because I have a lot of hair. My wash and goes last 10 days. That's how long I leave it in. So I wash my hair every 7 to 10 days. The thing that I noticed with my hair is that even if my wash and go gets messed up for some reason, I can just wet it and then it'll just dry back to how it was. So there have been times where my wash and go has gotten messed up and I didn't have time to redo my hair, so I just wet it. I know that you guys can't see all of the hair. In general, this takes me 10 minutes or less. I am not big on defining curls. I never have been. What you see is how I wear my hair. I like to just keep it simple. So this is what I've been using for years. Miss Jessie's Coily Custard. I have to use a lot of this because I have a lot of hair. So usually if I'm in the mirror, I can look to see if I'm distributing this evenly. So this is all I do. I just smooth it from root to tip. That's how it looks. And then I have to section it right here because like there's like no gel in here. So I have to make sure to just section it and make sure that I'm getting good coverage. But as you can see, like the curls are defined. They're defined enough for me. And then I'm just gonna go in back here. The back of my hair dries differently. It shrinks up, like, to me, like I always say, it looks like a mullet. All of my hair is the same length. I have not done anything to my hair since the pandemic has started other than just regular trims. And I like it all one length. I don't want it shaped or anything like that in particular. So it's all one length right now. And the front has way less shrinkage than the back. And so the back ends up looking kind of like a mullet. And it's annoying, but it's been doing that since the day I big chopped. So this side is finished for now. And I actually forgot to part my hair. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I use this comb, or I have a couple of rat tooth combs that I use. But this one works. So as long as that's straight, don't worry about that. So the last thing I do is I put a little bit of this on my edges and in the back and on the very ends of my hair to keep it from frizzing up. And I got this huge container on Amazon. I've had it for like the whole last 2 years that I've lived here. I don't like using a lot of this stuff because it gets really hard. I don't like my hair to be really hard and crunchy. But I like it in the front, right here. It keeps it really tame. And then I put it on the ends so that my ends will not get frizzy. And this little section of hair right here in the back that rubs against my clothes the most, I put it there so that this won't get frizzy. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Put a little bit on my ends. there. And this front part, like I said, it does get frizzy. So let's put a little bit here. Okay, so this is essentially my tutorial. I let it air dry after this. And I know that you guys can't see all of my hair. So let me try to just show you guys how it looks. And for measure, that's my belly button. So that's where my hair is right now. And then the back. Okay, so that is how I do my hair. I have like these little clips that I like to put here in the front just so it keeps the hair off of my face and it keeps it looking nice. Sometimes I might add a headband, sometimes I might put, you know, like a cute little clip or flower or something in my hair. Sometimes I just do it like this. And basically what I do is I'm gonna get dressed. So when I get dressed, I just go like this. Put this in here. And that's what I do. And if I don't have my hair in a wash and go and I just wash it and get out of the shower, I oil it, put it up like this. I don't do a lot to my hair, which is why I don't make a lot of videos. So I'll just be back with like a little video later this month now that I have this set up already. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Ask me any questions in the comment box and I'll answer them in the comments or in the next video, okay?